Meaning of fraught.
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 Fraught. The word fraught means filled with or accompanied by something undesirable or difficult. It's often used to describe a situation that is stressful, tense, or full of problems. When a situation is fraught, it can be challenging to navigate and may require careful consideration to avoid negative consequences. For example, a project deadline that is approaching quickly can be fraught with stress, requiring clear communication and efficient work to complete on time. Understanding the meaning of fraught can help us prepare for and deal with difficult situations more effectively.